President William Ruto, a very interesting character. Can someone tell me what is going on in the president's mind? Because he's doing everything possible to become unpopular, and it doesn't make sense. He's doing everything that Kenyans have told him not to do as president. Kenyans have told him to stop the hefty donations in churches. Kenyans have told him to stop wasting public funds. Kenyans have told him to stop the foreign trips. Kenyans have told him to stop creating positions for politicians and his friends and his cronies. Kenyans have told the president, no more coalition governments. Kenyans have told the president, cut down on taxes. Kenyans have told the president, take care of the cost of living. But what does the president do? He does the exact opposite of everything that Kenyans have asked him to do. The other day, he said that he's going to continue donating money to churches and that nobody is going to stop him. Why would a president deliberately do things to make himself unpopular, considering that he's seeking a second term of office in the next 2 years? It doesn't make sense. One would think that a president will be trying to do as much as possible to become popular, to do things that will make more voters be attracted to him. But instead, you have a president who is doing everything to turn away the voters, to turn away potential voters. And it just doesn't make sense. If there's anybody out there with an answer as to why the president is behaving like this, I would love to know, because it doesn't make sense to me, and I'm sure it doesn't make sense to a lot of other people.